the GMC Motorhome. All new, splendid in action, beautiful at rest. A new dimension in motorhomes, a new standard of motorhome performance. Tested by professionals and motorhome owners. Today, you'll be the test driver. But take a good look first. New from the ground up, front-wheel drive with torsion bar suspension and stabilizer bar for steady, smooth performance. A door designed for stepping into, not climbing up to. In the rear, 4 wheels, individually and independently air suspended in tandem. An exclusive GMC combination designed for the firmest, smoothest footing. Your LPG tank, located for easy service. Overall glass area, 15% of the total exterior surface. An unrivaled field of vision. Hydraulic bumpers operate like shock absorbers to cushion impact front and rear. There's extra electrical power available wherever you go. A motor generator, efficient, easy to service. Step inside. Notice the generous tall man headroom. Start the engine. Put the familiar hydromatic transmission into drive. And you're on your way to a proving grounds test run. Sample the view through a windshield half again as large as those of big interstate buses. If you were to test this vehicle, as it has been tested by GMC experts, you would take it at brisk speed for 101 turns to the right and 101 to the left. Its handling characteristics are enhanced by the 455 cubic inch displacement engine with 265 horses, which pulls you with the right-on steadiness of front-wheel drive. A larger engine than that of the biggest selling motorhome on the market. Tested on the washboard surface of the test track, or by the bone-jarring effects of simulated railroad ties. Compare the evenness of this ride to a motorhome built on the conventional truck chassis. See how effectively road shocks can be smothered. In this test, made by GMC engineers, the lower line on the oscilloscope records the shock sustained by the wheels on a rough surface. Simultaneously, the top line shows how smoothly the test dummy is riding. A new dimension in motorhome riding comfort. And look at that glass of milk. Maneuverability, unsurpassed. Big question. Considering its size, exactly how tight a turn can this motorhome make? Amazingly sharp and easy. In the 23-footer, a turning radius slightly less than that of America's largest selling luxury automobile. In the 26-footer, only about 10% greater than that of the same car. Wet pavement or dry, you have the sure-footed stopping power of brakes on all 6 wheels. With no rear axle and no drive shaft to take up room underneath, the body is closer to the road. The overall height is lower. There's an exceptionally low center of gravity, and all contribute to this motorhome's excellent stability. How will it handle with a heavy load? A standard automatic height control system is designed to keep the vehicle level and the handling response consistent in spite of normal variations in weight distribution. The vehicle's feeling of total unit design not only means easy handling on the straightaway and curves, but in parking too, made all the more effortless by power steering. Standard. Today you have test-driven the finished vehicle, but a test drive is only one in a long series of GMC tests, like the Belgian blocks, high-speed 90-degree turns, tests of the various components' reliability. Cycle its handbrake no less than 50,000 times. Its gear selector 100,000 times. Its foot brake 1,000,000 times. Its windshield wiper the same. Its accelerator pedal 1.5 million times. Open and slam its door 50,000 times. Subjected to the grueling shake test, the equivalent of 150,000 torturous road miles. And GMC engineers have done all this to make sure your motorhome will perform as it was designed and engineered to perform. You'll probably never put your motorhome through paces like these, but it's nice to know that this is a vehicle that's at home in performance ranges beyond any you'd expect to encounter in normal driving. That's performance.